There is a lot of trend these days that you'll see where patients are growing aware of a surgery called as a fox eye or a cat eye. Well, there are multiple options when we want to create a look where the outer part of the eye is lifted up, which is what is this fox eye or cat eye trend. This trend started some years back when supermodels such as Bella Hadid started flaunting the shape of their eyes, and there are many actors now who have got it done. When someone wants to have a lift to the outer part of the eye, this can be achieved by various techniques. We have a simple option such as a PDO thread, which can be inserted in the outer part of the eye to give just a little bit of lift. Of course, PDO threads will remain for 3 months or so. If you want something more permanent, then we do something called as a lateral canthoplasty, in which the outer point of the eye is fixed at a higher location, and that gives a kind of slant where the outer corner of the eye is at a higher level as compared to the inner point of the eye. If you also want at the same time to lift the outer part of the eyebrow, then that is called as a lateral eyebrow lift, where the incision is in the hairline and we can lift the outer corner of the eyebrow as well. Now, whether a particular surgery will suit your face, that can be analyzed only by your plastic surgeon during your consultation. What happens is, more we lift the cant of the eye, the smaller the eye looks. It of course also changes the shape, so the eye becomes more like almond shape. So it is really your choice whether you want to have the shape that will look like an almond when you think of a fox eye or a cat eye effect. These surgeries, when done properly, are very safe. The recovery time is around a week to 10 days, and you can be back to your routine practically in a matter of 10 to 15 days. When you opt for a surgical alternative to create this kind of a eye shape, this shape is going to be permanent, so one has to be really sure that they really want to have this kind of a shape. Most of these surgeries involve very tiny incisions or incisions which are hidden inside the hairline so that they don't leave any visible marks in a patient. A surgery does need a lot of planning and precision, and therefore it's very important that you find a plastic surgeon with adequate training in these kind of surgeries. So that's it from me about a fox eye or a cat eye effect. If you have any other questions related to a fox eye or a cat eye surgery, feel free to comment in the comment box and I'll be most happy to answer your queries. Do like and share this video and subscribe to our channel.